This conference will now be recorded.
I'm William Hamilton, co-founder of SmartPath.co, and today we're going to talk about 5 steps to achieving your most profitable new client meeting yet, how you can save time, save some money, and identify your ideal client. So you spend hours of your time as a tax and accounting professional analyzing your client's data, crunching the numbers in their business, and compiling reports to help your clients reach their personal or their business goals. What can you do to propel your own practice closer to achieving your goals? So instead of spending as much time as you spend helping your clients, how can we take back a little bit of that time and focus now on your practice and what you want for your business? Well, one of the easiest places to start is by restructuring your initial consultations. Some firms call them discovery meetings, other firms call them free consults. But optimizing your cash flow begins with having a sound structure for those client discovery meetings. Now, really, a discovery meeting is designed so that it can help you discover as much as you can about a prospective client to ensure that you're the right fit for one another. The best relationships with clients are often true partnerships, meaning there's something about working with that client that you really enjoy that allows you to feel fulfilled in your work. And then there's something about you and your practice that really resonates with that client and makes it a really good fit. And so during these discovery meetings, when you first meet a client, this establishes trust and peace of mind for all parties involved. It educates your clients about the full scope of your services, and it moves you away from that tedious write-up or payroll or historic work that you really just don't enjoy anymore. And it anchors your practice as an integral resource for your clients. So there's a lot of value in this initial discovery meeting. So how do we optimize it? How do we make it really work for you and make it profitable? Well, there's 5 simple steps that we're going to cover. Number 1 is attracting clients to your firm. Number 2 is offering packaged services. Number 3 is getting your pricing right, making sure that you have profitable pricing that you present during that meeting. Number 4 are having the right client resources. And then number 5 is putting together a proposal roadmap. So let's jump into this first step, which is attracting clients. To attract the right clients, you need a structure for your meetings. You need to make sure that you're able to deliver tangible value during this first meeting. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to solve problems for free. It doesn't mean you're going to give away your knowledge and your expertise for free, but we do need to make sure that both parties walk away with some type of value during this meeting. So the right structure for this initial meeting is going to pinpoint your client's goals and then identify the best strategy for how you may want to move forward together within minutes of you starting the discussion. Now, if you want to save some time and increase your conversion rate with those initial meetings, we'd love for you to access the SmartPath Client Results template. In this template, it's going to give you that structure for how to really set up your meeting so that you can get the best possible conversion and so that you can structure that conversation in the right way so that you're making that conversation valuable for you and valuable for the client. And so the main thing that this template is going to help you do is it's going to help you figure out and pinpoint exactly what's most important to this specific client that you're talking to so that you can then take their words and take the things that are their key motivators and turn that into a proposal that they're going to be excited to pay for because it's going to help them achieve the things that are most important to them. Now, the next thing that we need to have once we understand how to structure the meeting is we need to have packaged services. Some services that you offer to clients can be more complex than others. Charging hourly can lead to revenue leaks within the firm. And so when we say packaging your services, we mean giving your clients a clear understanding of the value that you're offering to really help them achieve their goals and making sure that you're properly compensated for all the work that you're doing in this relationship. And we also want to get out of the reactionary work where you're spending all year just reacting to different tax deadlines or just reacting to things that clients throw on your desk and get you into that proactive place where everything that you're doing for the client is outlined, your value is clear, and you're proactively helping the client. This is an example of the optimized package menu that SmartPath members get access to, and it breaks down what are the business packages that you can offer, what are the individual packages that you can offer, and then what other additional help you may want to bundle and package in the firm, whether it's IRS resolution services or historic reporting services, but giving you those packages that are already pre-built so you don't have to start from scratch. We also went one step further and we created a intelligent package questionnaire that's included in the SmartPath portal. And so in 5 easy questions that you can answer about the client, it can help you identify the client's foundational needs and then instantly match them with the right service package based on the pre-built packages that you're going to have access to. And then you can very quickly and easily during your discovery meeting determine if you're the right fit for the client or if this client should potentially be referred to another firm or another professional to help in a different way. So the package questionnaire is an intelligent tool that you can use right inside of your firm. The next step is accurate pricing. So reformulating the pricing of your services may not be something that you really want to deal with. It may be something that you've been putting off for a long time. But what if getting your pricing right was the key to allowing you to say goodbye to all that pushback with your fees and all the headaches of dealing with hourly billing and trying to squeeze those hours that you give away answering quote unquote quick questions into your invoices? We want to make your pricing really, really easy. And so all of the packages that we offer come with a pricing calculator. So you can get paid for your knowledge and not just your labor. And you can implement a profitable pricing system and mindset through every package that you offer in the firm. And then we'll also offer ongoing support to our members so that if you ever have a specific pricing question, if you ever get stuck with what you should or shouldn't do, you have access to expert help to help you with that. Now, the next step is client resources. Having the right resources for your discovery process is going to allow you to manage client expectations so that the client is informed of their options and they have a clear roadmap in their mind. This puts transparency first so that you can save time. You're not having to argue with a client that was never the right fit for you, and it establishes trust. As soon as the client can see the specific options that they have available to them and they feel like they're being empowered to simply choose which option they want instead of being sold to, that immediately creates a positive dynamic in your relationship and it sets you apart from other firms who do try to hard sell clients. And so we have a library of customizable templates that will really support any level of marketing that you may need as your firm evolves and grows and begins offering packaged services. Now, the last step here is the proposals and the roadmap that you want to put together for the client. The most successful proposals that we've seen work in today's environment define the personal goals outlined by the client. So as part of that discovery meeting, you're having the client tell you what is most important to them and what they really want help with. And then you're going to put together a proposal that shows them here are the actionable steps that we're going to take to help you meet those specific goals that you have. And then here's the pricing that reflects that value of helping you accomplish those goals. And so we have a proposal roadmap template that allows you to optimize each one of your packages, increase your pull-through rate, attract those clients that you want to work with, and then ensure that your packages are actually profitable. So taking that pricing calculator into account and making sure that any of the options that you offer are going to create a true revenue margin for you. So to make sure that everyone gets the most out of your discovery meeting, you also need to identify what you want from working with this client as well. The client needs to identify to you what they want to pay for, but then you also need to identify what you want when you're going to work with a potential client. And so that starts with knowing the value of your services and knowing that you're offering something to the marketplace that is unique and that's really going to help clients accomplish their goals, rather than just focusing on the volume of how many people that you're working with. And so what we want you to do is we want you to attract profitable accounts, things that are going to be fulfilling to you, not just working with any client that says yes to you, but getting in those engagements that are really going to make a difference for you and make a difference for your staff. And it also means that the clients that do engage with you, they're going to have a higher lifetime value. So you're not just churning and burning through clients every year, you're establishing long-term partnerships that have a large lifetime value for you and the practice. And we're really here to help you get ahead, to help you get organized. We're hosting a free mini workshop for how to close 2 times more clients on every meeting. So instead of just 10 minutes here in this quick training, we're going to deep dive for 60 minutes and give you everything you need to know for how to really optimize every potential client meeting that you have. And so we'd love for you to register for free. You can just go to workshop.smartpath.co. Again, that's workshop.smartpath.co. Just type that into a browser and you can register for free and get access to that training. If you'd like some additional help, if you want to save time and access some of the best and most effective tools to grow your practice, we have the downloadable templates like you've seen here. We have the copy and paste resources. We give our members access to expert support. A SmartPath membership may be right for you. And so you can learn more about that at www.smartpath.co. Thanks for being with us in this training, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.